video guys, we'll be doing a basic makeup tutorial or a basic makeup look, and every makeup beginners out there, follow nyo to. This is the final look, and if you're interested to know how I did this look, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment down below any video suggestion. I'll try my best to do it. I'm gonna put a description down below all the products that I've used, and yeah, it's so fresh looking. Napaka-fresh looking ng look na ito. Ang fresh na tingnan. You can wear this anytime. Like, if you wanna go out, this can be your go-to makeup. This can be like your school makeup. This can be like your online school makeup. So, it depends on you kung saan yung gagamitin itong look na to. Kasi, this look is very easy to do. And all the products that I've used are all affordable. And, mahanap nyo siya sa Shopee and everything. So, yeah, this is it. The final look. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram account, make sure to follow me na rin so that you'll be updated every time I post there. So, yeah.